This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Lori McGrew. This is the well-kept, low-maintenance home you have been looking for. This home is not your average garden/patio home, as it offers amenities like real wood floors, intricate crown molding, cypress cabinets, and much more. The home is situated close to River Ranch and tucked away on a nice, quiet street. 2-car garage and a cute front porch/walk-up area complete the curb appeal. Inside you'll love the setup. Off of the garage, you've got a nice drop zone area that offers access to the laundry room, guest bedroom, and guest bathroom all right there. In the kitchen you'll love the corner pantry, cypress cabinets, island, and how it opens up into the living room. For more information, review the details below.